Hey there, future wealth builders and dream chasers. Let me ask you a question. Are you working for money, or is your money working for you? Today, we're diving into one of the most impactful personal finance books ever written, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. This book shattered traditional views about money and taught me lessons that completely transformed how I think about wealth. And I'm not here to just summarize the book for you. I'm here to share the golden nuggets, the powerful insights that, if applied, can take your life and business to the next level. So, grab a notebook because we're about to uncover how to think like the rich and build true financial freedom. Let's go. Here's the first golden nugget. Financial education is everything. Kiyosaki's rich dad taught him that most people don't learn about money. Not in school, not at home, nowhere. They're stuck in a cycle. Go to school, get a job, work hard, pay bills, and hope to retire someday. Sound familiar? Let me tell you something personal. Early in my career, I was making decent money but constantly felt broke. Why? Because I didn't understand the difference between earning money and managing it. That all changed when I started learning about investing, taxes, and how to make money work for me instead of just working for money. So, here's your action step. Start your financial education today. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or simply tracking your expenses, every step forward is a step closer to freedom. The second lesson blew my mind. Rich people buy assets, poor people buy liabilities. Here's the simple breakdown. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Sounds obvious, right? But here's the catch. Most people mistake liabilities for assets. When I bought my first brand new car, I thought I was doing great. I didn't realize that car payments, insurance, and depreciation were draining my wallet. It wasn't until I started investing in assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses that I began building real wealth. Take a moment to look at your finances. Are you building a portfolio of assets, or are you drowning in liabilities? Remember, the key isn't how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. The third nugget is all about mindset. Fear and excuses are the biggest barriers to financial success. Kiyosaki says it best. Most people are terrified of taking risks, especially when it comes to money. They're afraid of failing, afraid of losing, afraid of the unknown. And trust me, I get it. When I started my first business, I was paralyzed by the fear of what might go wrong. But here's what I learned. Every successful person faces fear, but they take action anyway. They turn failures into lessons and keep moving forward. Ask yourself, what's holding you back? Is it fear of losing money? Fear of judgment? Whatever it is, acknowledge it, but don't let it stop you. Because on the other side of fear is freedom. Golden nugget number 4. Focus on learning, not just earning. Rich Dad told Kiyosaki to take jobs that would teach him valuable skills, not just pay him a salary, and this advice is gold. The skills you develop are worth far more than a paycheck. For me, one of the best decisions I made early on was taking a sales job. It wasn't glamorous, but I learned how to communicate, negotiate, and close deals, skills that now bring in revenue for my business every single day. So, think about your own life. What skills are you developing? Are you investing time in learning about leadership, marketing, or financial literacy? Because those skills will pay dividends for the rest of your life. And here's the final golden nugget for today. Adopt an entrepreneurial mindset. Kiyosaki emphasizes this throughout the book. Entrepreneurs think differently. They see opportunities where others see problems. They take calculated risks and aren't afraid to innovate. I used to think the key to wealth was a high-paying job, but the moment I shifted to thinking like an entrepreneur, building systems, investing in people, and creating value, I unlocked a whole new level of success. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow to start thinking like an entrepreneur. Begin by asking, how can I add value? How can I create multiple income streams? How can I build something that works for me instead of just working for it? Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book. It's a wake-up call. It's a guide to breaking free from the rat race and building the life you've always dreamed of. Now, here's my challenge for you. Pick one golden nugget from today, just one, and take action on it immediately. Whether it's starting your financial education, analyzing your assets and liabilities, or facing your fears, do something today that your future self will thank you for. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me, what's one action you'll take after watching this? Remember, your financial future is in your hands. The question is, are you ready to claim it? Let's make it happen.